Mute your mics, please. Good morning. Once again, good morning to all of you. Children, as you all know that tomorrow is your chapter 1, chapter ending test, CET. Chapter 1, building with bricks. Are you all agree with me that tomorrow is your CET? Are you all prepared? With number system, Roman numbers, 2D, 3D shapes, patterns. Are you all ready with this? So tomorrow, please be ready. No absent. No child will get absent. Everyone should be present tomorrow. Give your CET well. So today, Harsh Keshwani, sit properly, my dear. So today, on the basis of the test, we are doing some revision in the revision worksheet. I have posted 2 revision worksheets in the classroom. Go to classroom and open one each worksheet and solve it either in the Google Docs, turn it in Google Docs, or take the print or do it in your notebook. It's your choice. There are 2 revision worksheets posted in the classroom.
Then there is written a rectangle. We have to record. Then there is written
one worksheet.
Harsh, wait. Yes, Dignesh.
there is written a rectangle, so we have to recognize it a rectangle or
No,
an or a cuboid.
number one is given. No, in the worksheet it is given which worksheet is 1 and which is 2.
Yes, but in that rectangle has how many sides? So we have to recognize as a rectangle or a cuboid.
As a rectangle only. The if word rectangle is given,
Okay.
and rectangle has how many faces it is showing, and rectangle is a flat shape, so it's having only one face.
Ma'am, we have to do the worksheet now.
Yes, now in the class, open the worksheet number 1 first. Do it. I'm going to present my screen, so we will also one by one, I will also call your names and I will also ask from you all. I think I have checked many of your work and I have sent it back day before yesterday or yesterday, right? I think many of you got your work after checking. Yes or no? Mohammed, I want to talk to you. Mohammed, you doing your work or someone else is doing your work?
No, I am doing my worksheet.
You doing your work?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I will
Excuse
really
me, ma'am.
appreciate. Wait a minute. Those are saying, excuse me, wait. Mohammed, I will really appreciate your handwriting. It is too good. Keep it up. You writing, no? Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
It is too good, and with the looking only about the observation, it is clearing me that your concepts are very much clear. Good,
Ma'am, I
excellent.
can't get the worksheet.
Pragyan, Pragyan, you go to the classroom, see the assignments.
Ma'am, someone is sitting beside the Mohammed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, maybe. Yeah. Who is saying excuse me?
Dhwani.
Yes, Dhvani.
Ma'am, I was confused in this. I was asking you, but at Saturday I was confused, and I'm asking you today that vertex mean that line and edges mean who join the two lines. That no.
Edges means the line, sides.
Okay, and vertex mean those two joins the two
Yes,
lines.
yes. You children are not doing it practically, you're not bringing the objects in the class so that we can discuss more. Please bring the 3D objects like cone, cylinder, and cuboid and cube in the classes. We will discuss in daily day every day. Okay. Shivani and Shivangi, I request you, please, you join your class regularly. No alternate days absent and send your work regularly. Got it, Shivani and Shivangi? Lakshya Dola. Lakshya.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to talk to you. Let me
Yes.
see. Wait a minute. Lakshya, you not sending your any work.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm
Lakshya,
sorry.
you please work on
Ma'am.
sending your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Harsh, yes.
Ma'am, you have sent the worksheet, revision worksheet. So we have to do now
Yes,
that
now in the
worksheet.
class. Yes, yes.
Now only.
Yes, now. And Harsh Keshwani, I request you, you please write with the pen. Dhwani, pay attention in your class. And the another child who is not sending me work is Dheer Kansara, Arush Miani,
Ma'am, it's Dhir Khiveshra.
Dheer Khiveshra, huh? Dheer Khiveshra, Arush Miani. These are the students who are not sending me the work. Shivani Shivangi, I already announced. Laksh Dola, I already announced.
Ma'am, I
Next,
will send.
I will see when you will send, okay? I will check and then revert you. Please send me. From the beginning, you have not sent
You
anything.
have sent the worksheet of revision we have to do now, and the we can print also, na?
Yes, you can print. And please,
Ma'am, what
Harsh
is
Keshwani, I request you please write with the pen and improve your handwriting. Improve your handwriting. Vihan Vyas is there in the class. Vihan Vyas, I want to see you. Vihan Vyas.
ma'am? What is size?
Who is asking what is sides? Dheer Kansara, you asking what are sides?
Yes.
Dheer Kansara, I am asking from you.
Yes.
Take any object.
Ma'am, so far so many shapes. Which shape we have to count?
Which one?
If soap there is written, so which shape we have to?
Cuboid, cuboid. Generally,
Oh,
soap comes in a cuboid.
okay, ma'am.
Oval shape also comes, but the normal shape of a soap, we assume it as a cuboid. Yes, what is in your hand, Dheer? Dheer, show me up.
A
Bring it
cube.
up.
A
Yeah.
cube. A cube.
Hold it properly. Hold it properly. I don't want you to make it turn again and again. Yes, you have a cube. You show me what are the sides in this. Which are the sides in this? Sides and edges are same. I explain you many times. I think you're not paying attention and you're not doing worksheets on time. So how you will learn? Tell me which are the sides in this.
This.
These are the vertices. Corners हैं ये.
This is.
और जो लेंथ है वो sides हैं.
This.
ये yes, these are sides. ये पूरी side है.
Okay.
How many sides are in this? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello, ma'am. We have to write ascending and descending order in Indian numbers.
Yes, yes, in Indian only. We have learned till now Indian only, na?
Ma'am, we learn Roman numbers also.
We have learned Roman numbers also, but it is not Roman. Ascending and descending are not given in the Roman numbers, na?
Ma'am, we have to put a comma between two
Groups.
comma 503 like Indian method, or
Indian method only.
you
You,
have written only 2503 like that.
I have not put the comma, but you put the comma according to Indian system.
Okay, ma'am.
Dheer, I'm asking from you. Hare, why you are sitting? Waiting for someone to do your worksheet? Hare, Hare, I'm talking to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Will someone will come and do your worksheet?
No, ma'am.
So why you waiting? For whom you are waiting like this, sitting like this? कौन आके करेगा आपकी worksheet?
Nobody.
So why you are sitting? I am asking.
Ma'am, there are.
Ma'am,
Please
you have to do
do.
it right now.
Shivani, 15 minutes have passed. Yes. Then why do you use to give your revision in the class? Half of you are just sitting. Then it's why I am using the day to giving you in the class. You have to do in the class only. Turn on your camera, everyone, please. Hare, start doing, please. If you know how to print out, don't wait for the printout. Write it in the notebook. Shivani, Shivangi, you're facing lot of Shivangi network issues. Coming and going in the class. And just sitting and still asking, ma'am, do we need to write?
Ma'am, I'm doing it in Google Doc.
Yes, Google Form or Google Docs.
Google Docs.
Yes. Dheer, now you got the answer. Mohammed Mohin, please write.
Ma'am, I am confused in wait, my camera is on it.
Your camera is not on.
It's opening.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am confused. Is this all are sides? This four.
हाँ, these all are side, not only four sides. सारी sides हैं. घुमाओ उसको cube को. Wait a minute, I will also show you.
2,
Wait.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, can you see my cube?
Yes, ma'am.
When I want to count the sides of this cube, I will count all the sides. जितने इसके faces हैं, उसके चारों तरफ की sides count होंगी. So if I start from the top face, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 at the top,
1, 2, 3, 4,
4, and 4 at the bottom, 8.
11, 12, 13.
Listen here, Dheer, look at my object. 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom. So the 2 which came in the 4 at the top, अब यहाँ पे जो sides के हैं, we will only count 2 here. 4 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, got it? And अब ये इसमें नहीं count होगा, 11, 12. Got it? 4
Yes.
at the top, 4 sides at the bottom, and 2 this side, 2 this side. 1, 2, 1, 2. 4 here total. So total 12 sides. Total 12 sides or 12 edges.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can write the worksheet with the black pen.
No, please. It with the blue pen only. Okay. I will call the child name one by one. I want the answers. Diva Chauhan. Let me take the attendance again. Is Diva Chauhan here in the class? Arav Appani. Okay. Arav Appani left the class. Arush Miani.
Yes, ma'am.
Arush Miani, you tell me the answer of first.
First,
Read it.
a brick has dash edges. Well,
How many? How many?
well,
How many? Clearly say, please.
Well, ma'am.
Okay, I will move to the next child. Let me see. Next is Earth Gujarati. Read the next one, Earth, and tell me the answer. If you take so much time, your turn, everyone's turn will not able to come, please. Please, as soon as your name call, please give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
A square has dash sides. Read it properly and give me the answer. Earth Gujarati, you waiting for someone to give you the answer?
Ma'am, 6.
My dear, it's a square. Earth Gujarati is a square shape object. Only square. How many sides square has?
4.
4. I think, but please don't take help from anyone near to you. 4 is the right answer. Harsh Keshwani, you are in class. I request you to sit properly and do your worksheet.
Okay.
We are not in a playground. Sit properly. Next question is from Astha. Astha, read the third one.
Yes, ma'am. A rectangle has dash faces.
How many faces rectangle has?
Ma'am, 6.
I'm not talking about the cuboid. It's a simple rectangle.
8.
Flat. It's a 2D shape, not 3D shape. See. Mute your mic, Astha. Astha, look here. Where are you? Look here. Suppose this is the rectangle. Only this shape. Only this part if you see. I'm talking about how many faces you are seeing this. How many faces of this rectangle shape you are looking at? And it's a 2D shape, Astha. Can you hear me? It's a 2D
Yes, ma'am.
shape. ये flat shape है जो आप पेपर पे ड्रॉ करते हैं rectangle. If you see that rectangle with the 4-sided figure, 4 sides है 1, 2, 3, 4. और इसकी faces कितने हैं? Only one face. आप यही face देख पा रहे हैं ना इस register का? Astha, yes or no? This is in rectangle shape. अगर if we see only this shape.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर हम ये फेस देखते हैं रजिस्टर का तो दिस इज द रेक्टेंगुलर फेस एंड दिस फेस इज rectangle has only one face. You are mixing the cube and the 2D shapes and the 3D shapes together. I go to the next one. Next child will tell me a soap has how many faces? A soap. Soap generally cuboid shape में है. So I'll call your name. Dheer Kansara. Dheer Kansara. Dheer. Soap is.
Yes, ma'am.
Assume that soap is in cuboid shape. उसके कितने faces हो गए? How many faces the soap having? Faces. I am asking faces. जैसे आपका face है वैसे ही इसके कितने चेहरे हैं cuboid के? Soap cuboid shape में होता है generally. Yes, soap is in cuboid shape. Assume it.
8.
मान लो.
8 faces.
8 faces.
No. 2.
God.
6 faces. 6 faces.
Yes, 6 faces. Got it. You children are not exploring at home anything. Just coming in the next class simply. बैठने से नहीं होगा धीरे जब तक पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे घर पर. और from last 1 week से भी ऊपर we are discussing the same topic. in the class about 2D, 3D shapes only. So if you are not observing the things near to you, then how you will do it? I request everyone to observe the 2D, 3D shapes near to you, the objects near to you, and please find out the faces, the edges, the vertices. Got it? Pritika, you doing or just sitting?
Yes, ma'am, I am doing.
Good. We go to the next one. A cuboidal box is having how many corners? Corners. What is the other name of corners we have? What is the other name of corners? Corners का एक और नाम मैंने बताया था. Very good. Dhwani, what is the other name of corners?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the other name of corners?
Edges.
Corners. Edges का other name sides है. Just now we had told.
Vertex.
Vertex is for singular and for many vertices. Vertices, right? Harsh Keshwani.
Yes, ma'am.
Harsh Keshwani, now you tell me that a cuboidal box, a cuboid shape का box है. How many faces that box is having?
Faces 8. No.
Faces.
6.
And how many corners?
Corners 8.
How many edges?
Edges 8.
12 edges. Today everyone will take the cube and cuboid shape and cone shape and cylindrical shape and see their edges, vertices and corners, everything. Got it? Next is F. F1 will be given by Hare. Hare, give me the answer of F. Read the question and give me. Hare.
Okay, ma'am.
Read the F1.
The number of face in a brick.
What answer you will write?
6.
Yes. And what is the shape of a brick?
Cuboid.
Good. Next answer will be given by Laksh Dola. Laksh.
Yes, ma'am.
Number G.
G.
Yes.
A dice has how many faces? A dice has 4 faces.
Wow. Very good. Excellent. No, we are learning now. Just now we are discussing from past half an hour also and from 1 week or so. Dice is in cube shape. How many faces the dice is having? 4 faces.
5.
Just guessing. Because you're not doing your worksheets on time. Suppose this is a dice. This is in this because dice is in cube shape. How many faces this cube is having?
6.
तो dice के भी कितने होते हैं?
6.
Yes. Please send your work timely so that I can also understand how much you understood the concept. Got it, Lakshya? इधर उधर कोई बैठा है? You are asking from someone. Then why you not looking at me? Why you looking near? When I teach you my voice, I just not speak to you. I look like this. Will it be fine for you? So, next question and from next child. A brick is a dash dimensional object. Is from Jignesh will tell us. Jignesh.
Ma'am, 3-dimensional.
Yes. Again, Harsh Keshwani is just simply sitting. Harsh, can I call your parents and talk with them? So what are you doing in the class? What are you doing in the class, my dear Harsh? I'm talking to you.
I'm doing the worksheet in Google Docs.
But the way you are sitting in the class, it's just showing me that you are not doing anything. You are sitting far away from your laptop and you're not doing writing anything. So please, three-dimensional object. The brick is the 3D object. That's why we call it as three-dimensional. D is the full form of D is dimensional. A triangle has dash sides. Pritika, a triangle has dash sides.
Ma'am, 3 sides.
Shivani, a triangle has how many sides?
Ma'am, 3.
A square has how many sides?
Ma'am, 4.
Dice is in which shape?
Ma'am, cube.
Cube is having how many faces? Don't look into your notebook. How many faces cube is having? A
Ma'am,
cube.
6.
Next child. Vedi will tell me. Vedi, a triangle has
Yes.
how many corners?
3 corners.
Very good. And rearrange them. Vedi, mute yourself. Moin Kuledi. Moin. Moin. Riddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Riddhi, ascending order means what?
Ma'am, small to big.
Very good. There are few students who are very smart and quick, giving me the quick answers, but there are still those who need practice. Hiya Verma. Hiya. Hiya Verma. I want to see your face.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to see you.
Yes,
Hiya, tell me, descending order is what?
Descending big to small.
Yes. I will go to the next worksheet now. Jignesh, my next worksheet is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The another child. Please do not leave the class. There's still 5 minutes more. Mohammad Moin. Mohammad Momin.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer of the first pattern. Observe the first one and give me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Read the numbers first. What is
Fill in
given?
the blanks by observing the pattern. 5, 5,
No, read it properly the way we have read, how to read the
5,
numbers.
comma, 324.
55,000.
55,000, comma, 324.
So when we read the number, do we read the comma also along with this? No. When we read the number, we will not read the comma
No,
also.
ma'am, no.
Only number, read it properly again.
55,326.
320, 300 and
328.
300. Wait. What the common mistake you are doing? Mute yourself. Mute yourself, Mohammed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed, first of all, you should know. Sit straight, Pritika. Hiya, turn on your camera. Vedi, turn on your camera. Harsh, turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera, everyone. Mohammed, when you read the number, first of all, when we read the number, we will not read the comma along with that. We will not use the word and in between. Still this child is playing. Harsh Keshwani, I'm going to remove you from my class now. And you please stay after the class. I want to talk to you. Harsh, please stay after the class. I want to talk to you. Yes, who is saying excuse me?
Ma'am, ask her.
Yes, Asta, tell me.
I'm doing in iPhone. That's why my camera is off.
Okay. Mohammed and everyone, please listen. When we read the numbers, we will not read the comma along with the numbers. We only read 55,234. 234, no. End word we will not use when we are reading the number names or when we are reading the numbers. Got it? Got it, Mohammed? Okay. Now, Mohammed, tell me the pattern which is following here and tell me the next two numbers.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
रीड देम. ये जो 3 है इनको भी रीड करो. नेक्स्ट 2 भी बताओ.
Ma'am, 55,330.
330. Next.
And 55,332.
Very good. Next. Wait, next child will tell me the answer. Moksh Patel. Moksh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next, wait. Read the next pattern and tell me the next answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know.
Read the first one. Read B1. 10,000. Read it. How you will read this number?
10,276.
Again, you using the word and. 276. Next is 12,276. 14,276. Have you observed something here? 10, 12, 14. What will be the next? Two का gap है. Yeah.
16,000.
16,276. And then what will be the next?
18,000.
Yes. Who is giving me the answer? This one? Moksh, give me, na? Yes or no?
Yes,
Moksh?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Moksha.
So 18,276. This way, you children, please follow the pattern and write the number names of the following. These numbers, please put their place values at the top. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Then you will able to write the number name. Because I suggest you don't read this as 7 lakh. This is 79,070. Right? Got it? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up. Next, we will go to the next. Write the following in the figures. Number names are given. You need to write here. The and word is used. It's okay because the print. So don't look at here. Write the place values of the numbers which are given here. 4 ka place value, 2 place value, 9 place value, 1 place value. Place value and the place is different. Don't write the place only that the place is 100. 4 is at the 100. No, 400 will be the place value. Not only 100. 4 multiplied by 100 gives you 400 is the place value of this 4. Got it? We have done many.
Ma'am, we have to write only 400 or 400 multiplied by that like.
You can write directly the only 400 also.
Okay.
And you need to expand these numbers. Expanded form means plus sign laga ke. Not in number names. Remember, expanded mein plus sign aata hai. Remember it and do it. Right? So, I end the class here. And please do these 2 worksheets and send it to me today. Harsh Keshwani, I request you to please stay in the class. Others may